Accountability and liability. Ano ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa? Pareho silang responsibility o pananagutan, pero magkaiba sila ng paggagamitan, especially sa contextual na sa work, sa businesses, or sa daily life. Pag sinabing accountability is more on focuses of ownership of an action or result, pananagutan sa nagawang action o resulta. Halimbawa, kung ikaw ang team leader sa grupo nyo, so kahit may kanya-kanya kayong gagawin, ikaw pa rin ang accountable to final output of the project or task. So kahit ano man ang resulta, so hindi pwedeng ituro sa iba ang kasalanan dahil ikaw pa rin ang accountable. So in short, accountability is more on focus on answerability or pagpapaliwanag, pag-explain sa iyong mga action na gawa. So ano naman ang liability? Pag sinabing liability is more on focuses on legal or financial responsibility when something went wrong. So especially kapag may damages or losses or harm violation. So kapag ikaw ay liable, lalo na kapag may batas or kontrata na nagsasabing ikaw ang mananagot. So halimbawa, sa isang kumpanya, may isang employee na nakasira sa company property dahil sa kapabayaan. So liable siya to pay the damages o sa business. Lalo na kapag may contractual obligation na hindi tinupad. So liable siya under the contract. Pag sinabing accountability, more on focus on moral or professionality, pananagutan sa action or owning the action to be trustworthy. So, doing what is right. So, pag sinabi namang liability, more on focus on legal responsibility or paying the price when something goes wrong. Owning the consequences. You should avoid the bad situation to be liable. So yun lang, hope this video helped you to understand the nuisance between accountability and liability.